Semla Swedish Cream Bun. Ingredients: buns, 4 cups, 20 ounces, all-purpose or bread flour, or more if needed. 2 teaspoons dry yeast. 1/3 cup, 2.5 ounces, plus half a teaspoon sugar, divided. Half cup, 4 ounces, warm milk. 1/3 cup, 2.5 ounces, melted butter. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 egg, slightly beaten. 1 teaspoon cardamom. Half cup, 4 ounces, lukewarm water. Glaze. 1 egg yolk. 1 tablespoon cream. Almond paste. 1 fresh egg white. Half cup ground almonds, without skins. 3/4 cup powdered/confectioner's sugar. To assemble: whipping cream. Powdered/confectioner's sugar for dusting. Instructions: in bread machine or stand mixer, place the lukewarm water, yeast and half a teaspoon of sugar. Allow to rest for a few minutes, until the yeast begins to grow. Mix the milk, melted butter, beaten egg together, then add to the yeast mixture. Add the cardamom, flour, 1/3 cup, 2.5 ounces, of sugar and salt, and turn on machine, dough setting on bread machine or use a dough hook if using a stand mixer. Mix and knead by hand if you aren't using a machine. Dough will be slightly sticky. Allow cycle to finish on dough setting, with stand mixer, or by hand. When the dough is ready, cover it and let rise on the counter until doubled in size. Shape the buns. After it's risen, punch down the dough, and let rest for 5 minutes. Cut pieces of the dough and shape into round balls, about 15 to 18, and place onto a greased cookie sheet, or silicone sheet, about an inch apart. Place the tray in the oven, do not turn it on, to rise for about half an hour or until doubled in size. Once doubled, remove the buns from the oven and brush with the egg glaze. Just mix the egg and cream together and brush on gently. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, then cook the buns for approximately 20 minutes, or until golden brown. While they are baking, prepare the almond paste. Almond paste, marzipan filling. Whip the egg white until soft peaks form, then fold in the ground almonds and powdered sugar. Cover and set aside. Remove the cooked buns from the tray, and place on a cooling rack. When the Semla are completely cool, whip the cream and assemble them. Begin by cutting a top on each bun with a sharp knife, cutting down into the center of a bun to create a space for filling in the bun. Then put a teaspoonful, or more, of the almonds paste. Place the top on the cream, and dust with powdered sugar.